Pwede po bang mag-sponsor ako kung ako ay isang lonely Canadian? Yan ho ang tanong ng ating viewer. At ang sagot po ay yes, pwede po. At yung lonely Canadian guys ay ang naka-highlight doon ay ikaw na siyang mag-sponsor. Parang ikaw yung lonely at wala kang na-sponsor na iba mula sa pamilya mo. Ano ho? So, para malinaw guys, tingnan natin ang sinasabi po ng Canada.ca. Actually, hindi nila tinatawag ito na Lonely Canadian. Parang yung iba na lang po ang nagtawag dito na Lonely Canadian. But the essence is, wala kang kamag-anak dito, kaya kay lonely. They're supposing that you are lonely. Okay. Ang tawag lang po dito ng IRCC ay sponsor other relative. You may sponsor one relative of any age if you meet all these conditions. You are related to them by blood or even adoption. Ikaw na mag-sponsor, you don't have a living relative you could sponsor instead, such as a spouse, common law partner, conjugal partner, son or daughter, parent, grandparents, orphaned siblings, orphaned nephew or niece, orphaned grandchild. You also don't have any relatives here in Canada na Canadian citizen or permanent resident katulad ng aunt, uncle, or any other relatives na nakalista sa ibaba. Kung wala talaga kayo niyan, yon, lonely Canadian nga kayo. Kaya kayo ay pwedeng mag-sponsor ng any. Sana po'y nakapagbigay ako ng idea sa inyo. Si Ate Manchi from Toronto. Thank you.